Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Nadeem and Kofi's 17th property, 18th property. This is a Section 8 rental property, guys. It was a 2-bedroom, 1 legal bathroom. It is now a 3-bedroom, 2 legal bathrooms. So it's a 3-2, expecting rents here to be somewhere between $1,200 and $1,350 a month. We're about 90% of the way done with this. Come on in here and we'll walk through it. So just waiting on final electrical set out here, waiting on our punch list items to come and clean it up, do some light drywall, some light paint touch-ups, some cleaning, and just some final housekeeping items. But this house was a full rewire, so that's why every outlet box, everything's brand new. All of the electrical here, we're just waiting on that set out. So all new wiring, smoke detectors, lights, all of your switches, outlets, everything like that. We're still waiting for those to be installed. Originally, we had a wall right here where I'm standing. We took that down to create more of an open concept here in the living room. So this was a wall with a door. We didn't like that, so we took that down. Now, some people, what they would have done is they would have built a wall right here to create another bedroom in here. However, this house had a really nice fireplace that has a really cool design. It's inoperable, but I wanted that to be kind of the center point of the living room because I think that would make this rent a lot faster. And instead we created an open concept style living room kitchen, which makes the house feel a lot bigger than it is and opened up the space a lot better, which I really liked. And you know, I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions with Section 8 rental property is that you get a house, you throw it together, you throw it on market. That's not the case. It's still a free market. So you still have to create a product that people want to live in. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting with a house that isn't renting as quickly as you would have liked. So this is our living room. We have our kitchen right there. You walk through into our hallway and you have a bedroom right here on your left. And then you have behind you the bathroom that they will share. So this house is on a really nice street. We have other rental properties on the street as well. So I think this one's gonna fly off the shelves. So bathroom number 1 right here. And still, of course, needs to be cleaned up. Bedroom number 2 right here. Maybe clean up all the windows, and those are older windows, but clean them up, make sure they're operable, make sure they're all working. And then into bathroom number 2. Now, this bathroom actually wasn't tied in to the system here. So we had to actually, whoever did this originally, we're still having to clean it up. Some of the grout work is pretty bad on this. As you can tell, it's not clean at all. So we have to clean up a lot of this grout work, which we haven't done yet. You got grout in the drain there too. So a lot of times when you inherit houses that have tile work done, you're doing a lot of work. So we're gonna clean that up and make sure that we're not overspending on it, because that's one of the things you don't wanna overspend money on. That's another issue. A lot of times when people do rental property, again, you know, it's not a fix and flip. So things don't have to be perfect, but they have to be nice. They have to look good. That does not look very good. So we'll get our grout guy in here to redo this, make it look a lot better. This was original vanity. It needs to get cleaned up still, but none of the plumbing in here was actually tied into the main system. So we had to tie all that in. So whoever was living here before that, who was using this bathroom, it was just dumping underneath the house, which unfortunately is something that we run into very often in a lot of these older houses that haven't had the updates needed over the last 30 or 40 years. So as we work our way through the living room, back into the, what used to be another living space, we ended up creating a nice little nook right here. This nook is gonna be for our laundry, which is nice, gets it out of the way. And then brings you back into this room right here, which is now our bedroom number 3. So this was another living space. We maneuvered this a little bit to create a bedroom in the back of the house, which is nice. So that's your 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And we were able to take this old house and really change it up. So adding another legal bathroom, adding another bedroom, that's really good for value. You go from a 2-1 to a 3-2, it changes things pretty drastically. And it came out nice. And this is one of those houses that once it's all done, once we get through that final 10-15%, getting this through the finish line, it's gonna look fantastic, and I think it flies off the rental market. So, you know, really happy for Nadeem and Kofi, who are getting close to that 20 rental mark. Unbelievable in such a short period of time. And guys, it's doable, you can do it. Just send me an email in the description below. All my contact info is there if you wanna get started in this, and we'll see you next time.